Hello to everybody. We are going to check this new inverter. This is a Chinese inverter, pure sine wave inverter, 300 watts. The connection to the battery. Okay, positive, negative, the rear side of the inverter. Okay. And we are going to check with this oscilloscope and with the original point, because in the previous there's tests I use this fake cable and test lead, and the measure was wrong. With your original, the measurement was very good. Okay. The first thing, this is the DC voltage input, 12.6 volts. This is the AC outlet voltage, 122. And let's take the reference. This is a power supply. The AC input is connected directly from the outlet. Let me show you. Okay, okay, 1 second please. Okay, this is the AC outlet. This is the AC commercial energy, and this is the AC outlet of this inverter. We are going to compare, and let's check in this oscilloscope if the waveform is really pure sine wave. Okay, first we are going to check here. Okay, give me a second please. Okay, okay, I connect at this time. Okay, and we have this waveform. This is a real sine wave. Okay, the voltage peak to peak is 331. The voltage average is 5.5, and the voltage RMS is 118. Okay, let's see in the okay, connect. This is the line, this is the ground, and this is the neutral. Okay, I'm going to check. 1 second please. Okay, my god, disconnect. Let me a second please. Okay, okay, nice waveform. It's a wave, it's a sine wave. Look, the voltage peak to peak here, a branch, and the voltage RMS 120. Very good, very good. He says 122. Let's check with this multimeter. Okay, I'm going to check here and here. 122. Okay, it's really sine wave. Let's check other parameters. Okay, we are going to check the frequency. Okay, voltage, time, frequency, period, duty cycle. Frequency is 60 hertz, period is, let me shows, period is 16 milliseconds, duty cycle is 50%. Very nice waveform. Okay. Let's compare with the AC outlet. Oh. This is the AC outlet. This is the inverter. We're going to check other parameters. At the moment is connected to the AC outlet. Let me see. Okay, I'm going to check cursor display. Normal peak detection. Okay, this is peak detection. We are going to compare with the inverter. Let me connect here. Let me a second, please. Okay. Peak detection. Okay. Compare this, the pure sine wave inverter, and AC outlet. Now we are going to check average. This is the average. Nice waveform is from the AC outlet. Okay. And now I'm going to connect to the inverter. It's not too bad. It's not too bad. Okay. In conclusion, this is a nice waveform. Please, if this, I don't know, this movement. This is the inverter. Voltage, peak, average, REMs. Okay. And the AC outlet. You can see the difference. Please let me know your comments below. And if you like this video, remember subscribe to my channel and give me your like. Thank you for watching.